Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you these 3 chocolates which I got from Starbucks. As you can see their logo over here in each of the chocolates, and this one is dark chocolate bar, 24 grams it is, and this one is milk chocolate bar, and this is wafer chocolate bar. This one is 42 grams, this is 24 gram, this is 24 gram. As you can see, these two 24, this one is little big, this is 42 grams, so it's nice. So let's open it and tell you how it is. It's quite easy to open, and this is how it looks like. Just like Kit Kat you have seen, these slices are there like that. So this is his wafer. Now I'm gonna open this dark chocolate one. So this one is dark chocolate. Oh nice, they have mentioned, I don't know whether it's visible or not, but it has cow, horse, duck, elephant, rabbit, something like this, birds and all mentioned over there. Yeah, now it's properly visible, you can see. So this is nice for kids to, you know, learn. And this one is the milk one. Oh, all the colors are same. I thought maybe the milk one color will be little different, and in this also the same, all the animals are mentioned. So this is how all the chocolates look like. The darker one has little dark shade as compared to this one, as you can see properly. Now I'm gonna taste everyone. This is the milk one. No friends, it also has some contents of dark chocolate only. No milk flavor I could find, because I have already had milk chocolates and they are very different as compared to this one. So I'll say no for this one. The taste is good, but as compared to milk bar, I don't see that. So this one is the dark chocolate. Very nice. The proper darkness of chocolate is coming. Very nice. So let's have this one. This is the wafer. As you can see, these are the wafers. As in other chocolates are also, it's there. Now I'm gonna eat it. So some sort of crunchiness is there. Very nice. So friends, all are good, but I'll say this one, it doesn't look like it is tasty, but it doesn't look like the proper milk bar. All the tastes are very amazing, so go for Starbucks chocolates. They are really amazing. Thank you friends, bye bye, see you in my next video.